In this video, we're going to look at how you can take a given linear equation and turn that into a line on a Cartesian grid system. In this particular example, we know it's going to work out to be an oblique line because the equation has both the x and the y variables. That means it's going to have a slant in one direction or the other. The way we can approach this problem is by choosing values for x, substituting them into the equation, and then seeing what the y value will be for our chosen value of x, which will give us coordinates that we can plot on our grid. So I like to start by choosing x is equal to 0. So if x equals 0, what does y equal for that value? Well, to figure that out, I just substitute in my chosen x value into the equation and work it out. So negative 0 is just 0 plus 3. Y is going to equal 3 when x is equal to 0, which gives me a coordinate of 0, 3. Remember, x goes on the left, y goes on the right. If we plot this on our graph, x is our horizontal axis, so I look for my 0 value of x, it's right here. Y is my vertical axis, and I look for the value of 3, and I'll just mark that with a point. Well, I can't make a line with just one point because I could just choose any old direction and draw a line through it. In order to represent the equation that I'm given, I need at least one more point to do that. So let's choose another value for x and solve for y. So if x equals 1, it's another very easy number to work with, then y must equal negative multiplied by 1, which is negative 1, plus 3. So again, I substituted my x value into the equation, and now I'm going to work it out. Y equals negative 1 plus 3. Y equals, well, negative 1 plus 3 is going to leave me with that positive 2. And my coordinate would therefore be x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Let's go back to our graph, find the x value of 1, and go up to a y value of 2 and plot that point. And at this point now, I can draw my line, and having 2 points, I can predict the pattern that it's going to keep following as I increase my x value and also as I decrease my x value. So x is increasing by 1 as my y value decreases. So I'm going down 1 and over 1, down 1, over 1, down 1, over 1, down 1, over 1, just like this. So, and I'm also going backwards, so I'll go over 1 and up 1, over 1, up 1. Connect all those points together with a solid line, because whenever you're working with a linear equation and you're not given a real world context, so you just have y equals x plus something, in this case negative x plus 3, it's going to be continuous, so you connect all the points.